What are the signs of bad fuel injectors? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, a fuel injector, this is what's called a port injector right here. And they basically squirt fuel, almost like a little sprinkler inside the engine, if you will. So the sign of a bad fuel injector is we have a lien condition. We could have a rich condition if it dribbled or leaked, but that's a little more rare. The bottom line is we will typically have a misfire of some sort. So there's two ways an injector can fail. It can fail electrically or it can fail mechanically. So this particular one was on a 4350 and it failed electrically. So we used basically a meter to measure the resistance of the coil inside of it and found that that coil had gone bad. Now, if an injector is not spraying properly, which what we do is we run fuel through it, we actually can measure its flow and look at the spray. We also have some ways we can scope them and check them. We can also listen to them with a stethoscope to see how they sound clicking. So if they mechanically fail, then they're not going to spray or not spray properly. And if they electrically fail, they're not going to work at all. So thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels to you and blessings.